Question number 3a. In this question, all lengths are in cm. The volume V of a cone of height h and base radius r is given by V equal to 1 over 3 pi r square h. So diagram show a large hollow cone from which a smaller cone of height 180 and radius 90 have been removed. The remainder have been fitted with a circular base of radius 90 to form a container for water. The depth of water in the container is W, and the surface of the water is a circular of radius r. Find an expression for r. R is the r in terms of W, and show that the volume V is this one. Okay, so we have a right angle triangle here. Okay, it is something like this part. Okay, so it's 90 and 90 and 180. So 90, 180. Okay, and then we will have another one, bigger one. Okay, and this one, for this one, okay, we will have the r radius and then 180 plus w. So radius, this is 180 plus w. So we will have the r over 90 equal to 180 plus w over 180. So r is equal to 180 plus w over 2. So when we move this side, then the 90 and 180 can be cancelled. So we have the pi r square. So the volume, so we want to have the volume. So volume will be the volume of the bigger cones minus the volume of the smaller cone. So this volume is 1 over 3 pi 90 square 180. Then we will have 90 square times 180 divided by 3. So 486,000 pi. Okay. Yeah, this part. Then the volume for the bigger cone will be 1 over 3 pi r square 180 plus w. Okay. So this will become 1 over 3 pi 180 plus w over 2 square times 180 plus w. So 2 square is 4. So we have the pi over 12 and then 180 plus w cubed. So pi over 12, yes. So the volume of the container will be the V1 minus V2 lah. So this is V1, this is V2. So the volume for container is V1 minus V2. So it will be pi over 1280 plus w to the power 3 minus 486,000 pi. Okay, so this is the volume. Water is poured into the container at a rate of this. So this is the dV dt equal to 10,000. So find the rate of the W. So dW dt when W is 10 equal to what? So we find the dV dW equal to the 3 pi over 12 W plus 180 square times 1. So this will be 4 here. So the dV dW when W equal to 10, so will be pi over 4, 10 plus 180 squared. So we have the 190 square over 4, then it's 9025 pi. So the dw dt is the dw dt dv. So this is 1 over 9025 w times 10,000. So we have the 10,000 divided by answer. So we have the 400 over 361 pi. Okay, divide by pi. No. uh, So this 10,000 divided by answer divided by pi, then 0.353. Okay, so we will have the 0.353 cm per second.